Good afternoon, friends. I am Dr. Shanmukh Kuchpal, Academic Coordinator from Suresh Angadi Education Foundations, Angadi College of Commerce and Science, Sangaon Road, Belgavi. Today, in this session, we discuss one more topic, that is matrices and determinants. Already, you have studied the matrices and determinants. Matrix is defined as it is a rectangular arrangement of elements. Similarly, determinant is every square matrix associated with a unique value. We call it as a determinant. So you have studied different types of matrices, yes, and you are familiar with that, and also you have studied properties of a determinant. So in this session we will go through the properties which we are going to use those properties, and then we will discuss example based on it. Okay, so first property, if any two rows of a determinant are identical, then the value of a determinant is 0. Suppose that we take a example. So this is a one determinant here, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 0 1 1. See, here we observe that first row and the second row, they are identical or same. The value of a determinant is 0. Suppose 1 2 1 2 we have. So here first column and the second column both are identical, then the value of a determinant is 0. Yes, so we will go to one more property. Suppose we have a determinant, diagonal element, I take a 1 2 3, 1 1 1 like this, 0 0 0. Okay, the property is in a determinant, this is called as a diagonal element. Below the diagonal element or above the diagonal element or both, if it is a 0, then value of a determinant is diagonal element multiplication, that is 1 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. See, this is a diagonal element. Below the diagonal element all are 0, therefore value of a determinant is, see, diagonal element multiplication. Suppose that if it is like this, 1 2 2, 0 0 0, 0 0 0. Now see, this is a diagonal element. Above the diagonal element as well as below the diagonal element all are 0, therefore matrix value is diagonal element multiplication. That is 1 into 2 into 2, that is 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. So like this we have to solve. Similarly, one more property here. This will be a second property. Third property, see, if in a determinant entire one row is 0, like this, 0 0, then the value of a determinant is 0 here. If it is a entire one column is 0, suppose that like this, 0 0 1 2, the value of a determinant is 0 here. Okay, all of these are important properties here. Okay, so you have to remember these three properties. Okay, see, here there is a one determinant. So its determinant expansion is among these A, B, C, or none of these here. Okay, we have to examine this. So usually this is a 4-mark example. So what we'll do is we'll expand it. Okay, and then we go on calculating like that. So most of the times RHS it is a prove that question, right? So here I tell you the simple technique. Okay, so here we take a numerical value here, so that if you take this numerical value, the value of a determinant is not 0, that is 2 rows are not identical after taking ABC value, or the entire one row is not equal to 0. Yes, like that we have to take a precaution here. So what I will do is I take A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3 here. Okay, right. Then we'll substitute here 1 1 1 1 2 3 and a square 1 square 2 square 4 3 square 9 here. So we assign sign here, plus minus plus here, so plus 1 outside, so 18 minus 4 3s are 12, then minus 1 outside, then 9 minus 4, then plus 1 outside, 3 minus 2. Okay, then the value of this is 18 minus 12, it is a 6, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4, it is a 5, so we get a minus 5, then 3 minus 2, it is a 1, so we get a 1. If we simplify this, so we get an answer as a 2 here. Then this value we have to substitute in options here. We should get once again 2 sorry, 2 as a answer. 1 square 1, here 2 square 4 and 3 square 9 it is. This is not equal to 2, so wrong answer. Once again, a plus b, it is a 3, b plus c, it is a 5, and c plus a, it is a 4 here. If you multiply these, answer is not equal to 2. Here it is a minus b minus 1, b minus c minus 1, then c minus a plus 2. If you multiply, we get a 2 as an answer, so c is a right answer. Okay, like this we have to solve, that is take a value of a, b, c in a such a way that the value of a determinant is not equal to 0. Okay, further we have to substitute those values in a determinant, simplify it. In option also we have to put those values like this, simple calculation you have to do, and you should get both values the same. That will be the correct answer. Right. Example number 2. See, it is determinant equal to 0. We have to find roots of the equation we have to calculate. So for that I will put x and y value. I am not going to expand this determinant. I will substitute these values in a determinant. So it is 1 4 20, 1 minus 2 5. Yes, I take x equal to minus 1. We get this is a 1, this is a minus 2, and minus 1 square. Yes, what we get a plus 1, we get a 5 here, right? So one root, so one root is minus 1 here, so minus 1 is present in a first option, second option, so among these two is a one correct answer. Okay, so here next I take x equal to second one at this value minus 2 here, right? Then I take 1 4 20 as it is, next 1 minus 2 5 as it is, then I take 1 here. See, minus 2 I get a minus 4, right? Then plus 20 here, so two rows are not identical. We should get LHS equal to RHS here, so this is a wrong answer. If I take a plus 2, I get plus 4 plus 20, then two rows are identical, the value of a determinant equal to 0, therefore option B is a right answer. Option B is a right answer. Okay, then in this third example, value of this determinant we have to calculate. So log e to the base e, answer is 1. Then log 10 to the base 10, the answer is 1 here. This value I substitute in a determinant, so 1 1 1 we get it, 5 5 5, then pi root 5, and then e. Okay, so now I take 5 common from a second column, so I take a 5 common from a second column, 1 1 1 So we get here also 1 1 1 pi root 5 and e. See dear friends, just look at here, column 2 and column 1 in this identical. Then what is the value of a determinant? Yes, you are right, it is a 0. 0 into 5, it is a 0. Therefore, which is the correct option? Yes, D is a right option. Yes, it is like a very simple it is. We have to take a values, simplify it. So we'll move to a fourth example. So here, if A, B and C are not same, the value of x which satisfy the equation is. So what I will do is, which satisfy the equation means I take x equal to 0 now. If I get a 1 second answer as a 0, then it satisfies. Okay, so wherever it is a x, I replace it by 0. It is a 0 minus a minus b, then it is a 0 minus c, next b c 0, bc 0. Then we assign sign here, plus minus plus, so plus 0 as it is, then minus into minus plus a, so we get a 0 plus bc here expansion, then plus into minus minus b, we get a ac. Okay, this is x equal to, I take it. Okay, then x equal to, we get a plus abc minus abc, we get a plus abc minus abc, get cancels, x equal to 0. Therefore it has a satisfied equation taking x equal to 0. Therefore option A is a right answer here. A is a right answer. Now we'll move to a next example. So here, before solving this, see, omega is a cube root of unity. So you know, all of you, in a complex number, this we have discussed. Once again I write this, omega cube equal to 1. Along with this, one more formula we have, 1 plus omega square equal to 0. You have to remember these two formula. Now what we observe, 1 plus omega square, every row it is a present here, every row it is a present. So what I will do is, see, column 1 changes to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, and see, we get this as 1 plus omega square, right? Yes. Then omega plus omega square plus 1, I rewrite this as 1 plus omega square. Then once again omega square plus 1 plus omega, I rewrite this as 1 plus omega square. Right? Remaining two columns, I am going to write as it is, 1 omega square 1, and here it is omega square 1 omega it is. Then see, 1 plus omega square, the value of this quantity is a 0. Therefore this will become a 0. Similarly second one, this is 0. Third one, this is also 0. So we observe that in this determinant, entire one column is 0. That is, already we have studied this as a property. In a determinant, any one row or column is a 0, the value of a determinant is 0. Therefore value of this determinant is equal to 0. Therefore B is a right option. So we move to a next example. Here it is given that if A plus B plus C equal to 0, then the solution of the equation. So we have to choose a B, C value in such a way that we should get a 0. So I take A equal to 1, B equal to minus 1 and C equal to 0 here. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 1, C equal to 0. So we get this as, yes, so resulting matrix is, sorry, determinant is 1 minus x, 0 minus 1. Next 0 minus 1 minus x, 1. Next minus 1, 1 minus x. This is equal to, it is a given 0. Now I will assign plus minus plus. Now I expand this, so we get 1 minus x inside a flower bracket, so we get x into 1 plus x minus 1, yes, then minus 0, no need to write that, so we get plus into minus, minus 1 into, yes, 1 into 0, right, yes, it is minus 1 plus x, it is, right, equal to 0. Then see, if we simplify this, we get x into x square minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to, we get a 0, and x equal to, we get a plus or minus root 3. There are 3 solutions, 0, plus quantity and negative quantity. So among these 3 solutions we get a correct option. Further, see, I take he in this 0 is missing, so B is a wrong answer, A is already, it is wrong, C and D, among these any one correct answer here. Okay, so why B is a wrong answer? In this 0 is missing. In C I put A equal to 1, B equal to minus 1, C equal to 0, so we get a 0 this one, plus or minus under the square root of 3 divided by 2. I take the value of A equal to 1, so 1 square is 1, B equal to minus 1, minus 1 square is 1, plus 0, so 1 plus 1 is a 2, 2 get cancels, we get a 0 plus or minus root 3. Both of these answers are now similar, therefore option C is a right answer here. Option C is a right answer. Okay, so we'll move to a next example. This is the determinant A minus B minus C, 2A 2A, like that we have our elements. Then value of this determinant we have to calculate. So once again I take a numerical value. So I told you, see, if you take a numerical value, so 2 rows or 2 columns are not identical, then one row is not equal to 0 or column is not equal to 0. So I take A equal to B equal to C, all of these I take it as a 1 here, right? So what we get is 1 minus 1 get cancels, so minus 1, next 2, 2, similarly 2 minus 1, 2, it is 2, 2, 2, 2, it is a minus 1 here. We expand this, plus minus plus, so with this minus 1, 1 minus 4, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, right? So plus 2 outside, we get a 2 to, so 4 plus 2 here. Okay, so we get this as plus 3, right? 4 minus 2 minus 6 into 2 plus 12, and here also we get a plus 12 here. So simplification is 27 here, yes, 27. So now I take these ABC values in options here. right? So we take a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 3 square, we get a 9, so this is not equal to 27. A is a wrong answer. Now I take 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 cube, so it is a 27. So B is the right answer here, right? Okay, so like this we have to calculate. So here I am like simple technique, within a 1 minute we are getting a solution here. You have to practice such type of example. Okay, similarly we have a example number 8. Yes, here this determinant value we have to calculate. Yes, very simple it is. So here we have to take a b, two quantities are there, a b. Yes, so we have to substitute and we have to calculate. Look at here, it is a c is mentioned here, everywhere ab is present, right? But here c is there, so a is not a right answer here. So among these three you are getting any one solution here, right? So example number 8, I will leave it to you. See, do it yourself here. Do it yourself. Okay. Yes. Similarly, example number 9 also. So very simple it is. Okay. So you also solve along with me. So I take a equal to b equal to c equal to 1 here, right? A equal to b equal to c equal to 1. So we get 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 it is, right? Then it is a plus minus plus. So expand this. So it is a 2 into 4 minus 1. So minus 1 into 2 minus 1 and plus 1 into 1 minus 2. Yes, so 3 2s are 6, minus 1 and minus 1. So what we get, 4 is the answer. So right option, it is very clear, a into b into c 1 it is. So 4 ABC is the right answer here, like this, very simple. Okay, right. Like this we have to solve. Okay, then the roots of the equation, 1 plus x 1 1 1 plus x 1 1 1 plus x equal to 0, then which of the following is the right answer? So looking at this, it looks very complicated. So here we'll solve it in a very simple manner. Here I expanded, just directly we expand it. So we get 1 plus x outside, we get 1 plus x whole square minus 1, minus 1 into 1 plus x minus 1, right? 1 plus x minus 1 plus 1 outside, 1 minus 1 minus x, like this. Okay, here we observe that. So 1 plus x into 1 plus x square, it is a 1 plus x cube. Some numbers will be there equal to 0. It is a cube, means there will be how many solutions? There will be 3 solutions, 1, 2nd, 3rd here. So here 2 solutions, wrong it is. Here 3 solutions, so this is a right answer here. Therefore B is the right answer. So how to identify? See, there are 3 solutions, so we have 3 solutions here. So B is the right answer here. So very simple. We will move to a next example. Sorry, 11th one. One of the roots of the equation is, one of the root we have to calculate. So here x plus a bc. Okay, so what I will do is, I take it as c1 changes to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Very simple technique. See, I tell a reason behind taking this. So it is everywhere x plus a plus b plus c, everywhere it is available, so I am taking it as a column 1 changes to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3 here, right? So we get x plus a plus b plus c. Similarly here also same quantity here, right? Then b x plus c a x plus b, right? This is equal to 0. I take x plus a plus b equal to 0 as a common. X plus a plus b plus c, I take a common inside, we get a 1 1 1, that I am not writing. Now RHS I take equal to 0. Then I write a solution for x here. X equal to c, a b c transport RHS side, it is a minus a minus b minus c, or else we can write minus common a plus b plus c. Therefore the option D is a right answer. Like this we have to choose a correct option for a given example here, right? Okay. 15th one, here it is, this is a determinant. Yes, you know, all of you see, very simple technique it is. So what we have to do is, we will take the value of x as a some numerical value here. So we can take x equal to 1, like that here. So I take x equal to 1 here. If I take x equal to 1, we get a 2, 3, 5, right? And a 4, 6, 9, and 8, 11, 15 here, right? See, further I assign plus minus plus here, we expand it to outside 15 into 6. Yes, so like this we have to simplify here. Minus 3 we have to simplify, plus 5 we have to simplify here, like this, and whatever answer comes here match with this. So I will leave you this example for you, do it yourself here. Okay, very simple example, right? So we'll go through 13th example. Similarly, it is for you, do it yourself. 14th also, okay, do it yourself. Okay, so same, it is, the technique is the same, right? So we'll move to a last example, example number 16 here. It is a little bit different. If the determinant y plus z, z plus x, x plus y, like this we have, and k times RHS part, then value of a k is, so very simple. See, earlier example we have taken some numerical value, so I take x equal to 1, y equal to 0, and z equal to 2, right? Okay. If we take like this, then we get a determinant as 2, yes, y plus z 2, next z plus x 3, and 1, then 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2 here, right? And we need to find a value of a k, so k as it is, then x plus y plus z, 1 plus 0 plus 2, that is a 3, and x minus z, x minus z, x minus z, it is a minus 1 square it is. Okay, then we need to simplify, we need to expand this, plus minus plus, okay, plus 2 outside, it is a 4 minus 0, minus 1 outside, 3 to the 6 minus 1, and then plus 0, no need to expand, it is a 3k. Okay, then 4 to the 8 minus 6 equal to 3k. Yes, we get a 6 minus 1 as a 5. Yes, 5 it is. So 3k here. 8 minus 5, it is a 3 equal to 3k. 3 equal to 3k. So value of a k equal to, we get the solution as k equal to 1. Therefore option B is a right answer. Yes, option B is a right answer. So today in this session we have solved an example where in a determinant, not with the usual method, we take some numerical values, that is 1 2 3 4 like that, 0 1 2 3 4. Using that we have simplified and we verified in options also correct option we have to find out using this technique here. And we have studied properties which are related to the study of such type of example. So in the next class we will continue the same concept, okay, that is finding a xyz inverse here. So once again, good afternoon everyone, we'll meet in another session. Thank you everyone.